Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking Essentials. Make sure the Mac is online and you have your Apple ID email and password handy, plus access to a trusted device for two-factor codes. Once done, click the Apple menu and open System Settings. On older Mac OS, look for System Preferences. This gets you directly to Apple ID options so you can sign in. I'm walking you through why each step matters. Connectivity prevents errors, credentials are mandatory, and a trusted device avoids lockouts during verification. Now, select the Apple ID pane and click Sign In. Type your Apple ID email and password exactly as registered. After submitting, Apple often requests two-factor verification to confirm it's you. Make sure to approve the sign-in on your trusted iPhone or iPad, or retrieve the code sent by SMS and type it in. If you see a prompt to merge or not merge data, choose based on whether you want iCloud content synchronized. This affects contacts, calendars, and files across devices. Finish by toggling the iCloud services you want. Enable Find My Mac, iCloud Drive, Photos, and review payment and recovery info in account settings so account recovery works later. Once done, your Mac syncs data and stores secure keys for apps and purchases. If sign-in fails, don't panic. First, verify your Mac's date, time, and Wi-Fi, then try resetting your Apple ID password at the recovery screen. That usually resolves authentication errors. Contact Apple support if you still can't regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.